In this video, I want to show you how to fix the mic of your iPad 11 in case it's not working. I'll show you a few different tips. So let's start with the number one. It's to simply reboot your iPad. Nothing will be deleted. This is not a reset. To do a force reboot, you need to press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the screen goes dark. Let me show you. Volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Do not release the power button until the screen is black. Okay, wait a few more seconds. Almost done. Here we go. The screen is black. You can release the power button. Wait around 5 seconds and then keep press the power button again until you see the Apple logo appearing. Then you can release it, and the iPad is currently rebooting. Once it's done, well, fortunately, everything will work, including the mic. You can test it out. If what I just showed you doesn't work, you tried again that app and the mic is not working, let's go to tip number 2, which is to check if the app you're trying to use has the permission of using the mic of your iPad. So to do this, go over here in the settings of your iPad, then go down. Select Privacy and Security on the left side. Go down. Find Microphone. Tap on it. And over here, you're going to see all the apps that requested to use your mic. And you need to tap over there to enable that app to have access to the mic. Now, even if after giving the permission, the mic is still not working, I encourage you to go back into the settings. On the left side, select Bluetooth and make sure there's no Bluetooth devices that are connecting to your iPad and the mic of that Bluetooth devices is actually used instead of the mic of your iPad. So check out over here, you're going to see all your Bluetooth devices. Right now, I don't have any. If you see that one is connected, go ahead and disconnect that device from your iPad and go back to your app where you need to use the mic and start using it. You can also do the contrary. So connect a headset, like you see, these are some earbuds that have a mic. Most of them will have a mic. Connect to your iPad and start using the app with the mic and see if the mic of the earbuds is actually working. If you're actually able to make the mic of the earbuds work, but the mic of the iPad doesn't work once you disconnect them, it means that you may have a hardware issue with your iPad and the mic needs to be repaired. Finally, my last tip is to do a factory reset of the iPad to start fresh. Everything will be deleted from it, but it will be like a brand new iPad. Unfortunately, the mic will get fixed as well. By going into the settings, select General, go all the way down into the right side General menu and select Transfer Reset iPad. Click Erase All Content and Settings. Press Continue. You may have to press Continue a few more times. Enter the passcode, the password of your Apple account, and the iPad will be wiped out, everything from it, and you're going to start fresh. And yeah, fortunately, your mic will start working after doing this. If one of these tips worked, leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and comment.